Alright, we're back with a Let's Play The Sims 4 Legacy Challenge with Sylas, Scarborough, and Little Liberty here. Little Liberty. Waking up on New Year's Eve. Well, I guess New Year's Eve is almost over. It's probably going to be a terrible holiday. They're going to be pretty sad about that. Got about 20 minutes left to celebrate New Year's Eve, and we need to feed the tiny terror. Let's see how angry he is when he wakes up. Oh, he doesn't seem very angry at all. Aww. Look at Liberty trying to walk slothfully with baby in her arms. Yeah. Awful holiday. New Year's Eve was awful. Yeah, well. That's kind of what happens when you have kids. Not all the time, though. It's good to make time for parents. Parents need me time. Call the sadness hotline. Wow, she's really sad. She does need some me time. Oh, pregnancy test. Forgot about that already. Yeah, let's see how that goes. That'll be great. Look at that. Pick up, put down. Pick up, put down. What's going on? Yeah. Thank you, Sylas. Take care of the child. Did she just break a plate at the sink? Never seen him do that before. What? Oh, now she's very sad. Not pregnant. She was happy. She was excited about that. Well, me too. We need a female heir. Oh, she's crying it out. Nope. She's gotta come finish this cereal. I guess Sylas was gonna eat the kid's breakfast. Look, he's not hungry. I mean, a little bit hungry. He's a happy camper now. Learning the potty skill. Working on all the baby skills. Another holiday? What is this? New skill day. First day of spring. Okay. Wow. He's working on his skills. It's not going to count because it looks like he ignores this. Oh, man. That's a long bath time there, Sylas. There we go. Having some breakfast. Cleaning up the kitchen. What do we need to do today? Yeah. It looks like all of our plants are kind of in between right now. It's springtime. We need some springtime plants to start growing. They're planted, but they're just not really growing. Yeah, water stuff. Thanks. Oh no, he's crying. Oh, Sylas is insecure. He has an awful holiday, but why are you crying? Oh, it's a potty thing. Okay. I'm sorry, little fella. He's gonna be hungry again. And tired again. You gonna need a morning nap there, Milo? What are we doing out here? Oh, he's asking him for food. Here we go. See this high chair business. You always ask somebody else for food, but there's food on the high chair. It just takes so much extra time. Meanwhile, the child can be starving. There you go, Liberty. Out in your bare feet in the snow. Get that baby in the high chair. What's going on? Oh yeah. Let's just get on that. Let's get that promotion. Hopefully the baby will eat while we're gone. Sometimes it doesn't seem like they care for themselves very well when you leave. Let's go to the library, fill out some reports. I love Sims music. Alright, straight to a computer. Here we are. Web. Fill out reports. Go fast! Go fast. Let's play some chess. Join the game. Where are we going? Okay, he's gone. See, that's all it took. Really? That's all it took. Okay. We're checking in on Liberty and Milo here. Yeah, look at this. Why is he so angry? So angry. Eat your food. Looks like he threw some food on the floor, but he still has food on his high chair. Where is he? Liberty's doing pretty good. Leave him alone. Just leave him alone. He just needs to eat. There he is. Go eat your food! Oh my goodness. You know, true story, when I was a kid, well, I don't remember this, of course, but when I was little, I always ate my food off the floor. True story. My parents loved to tell that story. I wouldn't eat anything unless it came off the floor first. So maybe Milo just doesn't like the high chair. He'd rather just sit on the floor. Liberty needs to get up that logic skill. On skill day, it's the perfect day to do such a thing. So, go on home, Sylas. You're exhausted. You know what? We need to be trying for a baby. We need another heir. We need an actual heir. Milo, you don't need to be here for this. Alrighty. Well, let's just see what Milo's got in mind. No, not the snow pal. What's he doing? He wants to play in the snow. Oh, it looks like he's going to the farthest snow pile from the house. At a time like this, I suppose a child would rather be as far away from home as possible. You know. While his parents are busy. Play in that snow, Milo. Throw it around. So happy. Love it. Loving the snow. What's going on? Mom's coming? Sure. Hey, Mom. Nice. Shall we see? Shall we see? No? Did we not? Let's do a pregnancy test. Yeah! Nice. Tell them the big news. Oh no. I wanted to catch that slower. Sorry, guys. Oh well. I like when they share the big news. It's cute. Now, Sylas, you're really tired. Why don't you get some foodies? Yeah? Oh, just go to sleep, whatever. Nobody's getting some foodies too. Leveling up the baby skills. Sweet. I never used to use the "what's that" interaction with toddlers. I didn't really understand that it actually raised a skill, but it definitely does. Here we go. Let's make a terrific toddler mess. I'm getting tired too. Well, Liberty's eaten for 2, and I guess this might just be as far as we go here. Getting us all fed, happy, keeping our needs up. Comment down below if you have any names for the next baby, boy or girl. Give me a guess. What do you think? Now that Liberty's eaten for 2. Oh man, broken sink. Let's get right on that. Poor pregnant Liberty. Look at that. He threw it up the high chair, and then it landed right in the middle of the living room. Nice. New skill day complete. Raising that handiness level. Ouch. Comparing things. What do we have? Yeah, big news. He's excited about the baby, and so am I. I just want to meet it already. Cuteness. Teach that baby. Yeah. Let's make some mac and cheese for the little guy, because he's always hungry. My little boys are always hungry too, actually. It's just kind of a kid thing. They just burn it off so much. She's not going to be happy. Look at that. He still has a buff from eating, but he's hungry again. What is that thing, huh? Chess table. Sylas has just now acquired the cooking skill. That's interesting. You're energized. Do a little wandering. Oh, but now you're very angry. Don't wander too far. Just let's eat. You're right. Forgot. Sorry. Milo, it's just a helpless dog. Very angry. New skill day successful. Scoot to bed there, Milo. Ah. Checking our plants. Everything's looking alright. There we go. Let's water some stuff. Come back from that jog, Sylas. Where you at? Oh, okay. He's right here. Boy, you're exhausted and so stinky. But we have things to do.
Yibs.
What? Scrub-a-dub-dub. Okay. We did a little gardening. It's time for bed. Liberty's ready to wake up. She's gonna eat. Make us some food, Libs. Nice. Up before the baby always feels good. Excellent holiday. Eating for 2. Oh, growing so fast. Yeah, we know about. Yeah, okay. we're excited. Second trimester's coming. Scrape those eggs. Sylas is gonna go to work soon. Oh, she might not make it to the bathroom. Stop eating! Here we go. Oh, stinky toilet. Someone's gonna be cleaning that today, you can be sure. Angry baby, again! Poor wild child. He's just angry all the time. There goes Sylas, off to work. Having some food. Come on, Milo. You gonna eat? Picking him up, putting him down, making him even hungrier than he already was. Giving him a bath while he starves to death. That's a great idea. Got some bills. I don't want to forget those. We lose points in the Legacy Challenge, if you didn't know. For certain things, such as your power and water getting shut off from not paying your bills. And you gain points for other things. Like maxed skills and complete collections. So that's why we need to keep an eye on that stuff. We want as many points as we can in the end. Yeah, let's do it now. Let's just get it over with before you get any further along with your little belly there. Working hard, Sylas. Milo? You're not really in... You're playing in the trash? You're not in outdoor clothes. What are you doing? You're not in outdoor clothes. Okay, let's get this moving here. You really can't be outside when it's freezing cold. There you go. Now you can play. Destroy. Let's do it. That's something a wild child would do, isn't it? Look at him telling a joke. This bar is just what's it? Communications, but it's not full. It's just stuck. Still gonna be stuck. I wonder how long. Ha 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 ha. That was a good joke, Milo. We gotta go around to the back of it to destroy it? Yeah. It just disappeared, not even a pile of snow or anything. Okay. Sure. What are you dancing to? You just bopping around? Okay. Milo's eating again. Liberty is out scavenging, or exploring, or whatever we call it. Harvesting some strawberries, because I understand that strawberries and pop music influence the chances of a pregnant lady having a baby girl. So we're gonna work towards that end, and get some strawberries, and gonna listen to some pop music too. Look at her, pregnant lady digging in the dirt. That stinks. Bending down with her little belly. Okay, another batch of strawberries. Oh, you're hungry? Or you're sick from the baby? You're not really hungry. Okay. There, she got a fossil. She got some quartz. Let's put this stuff down here. We got another frog. Yeah, eggplant frog, leaf, striped eggplant. Okay, sweet. New frog for our collection. New fossil, our first fossil apparently. And some quartz. Nice. Oh, I want them all kind of to be together. Yeah, we'll just move it. We'll move it around. It'll all change later. This room's got to get bigger. So, let's have some strawberries. Liberty. Ah, Sylas, a promotion. What? Nice. Aw, kind of tense. Promoted to regional manager. Yeah, that'll make you tense. Oh, so tired, so hungry. Let's fix that. Okay. Wow. I've been recording for an awfully long time. I'm gonna have to leave the episode here. Thanks for watching. Oh, he had a nightmare. No, don't get distracted. Thanks for watching. Another legacy challenge with Sylas Scarborough. We've got another baby on the way with Liberty, and so we're hoping that it's a female. We're gonna start influencing that with some pop music in the next episode, I hope. I'll have to find us something to listen to. Okay, bye.